Bedhead's new Serial Blonde Shampoo with a color-enhancing formulation. New on the outside and just as epic on the inside. Professional Blonde Shampoo with keratin and amino acids helps to repair damaged blonde hair. Moisturizes, softens and helps protect blonde hair from future damage. With keratin to help restructure damaged proteins in hair. Great for both natural and artificial blonde hair. Discover Bedhead's new Serial Blonde Shampoo. New on the outside, just as epic on the inside. Are you a serial blonde? This restoring shampoo, with keratin and amino acids, help to revive and care for chemically treated blonde hair. If you loved Bedhead Dumb Blonde Shampoo, you will love Serial Blonde. For WHO. Great for both natural and artificial blonde hair. Fragrance. Exotic tropical. Top reviews from the United States. Great purchase. Love this product, makes hair feel so light and healthy.